This is a very beautiful tree, small, handsome little tree called Syzygium caryophytum. Syzygium, as you might know, is quite a large family of plants and trees. And the most famous Syzygiums are that jamun, and then this rose apple. And other Syzygiums are like clove. They all belong to that Syzygium family. And this caryophyllatum, Syzygium caryophyllatum, it's called Kinnerle, Kunnerle, Kuntenerle and all in Kannada. That is, it has fruits just like jamun, but much tinier fruits, and less pulp is there, and more that seed is a bit large, and dark blue berries are formed in the monsoon after the rain start. Now it is the peak of the summer, and the Syzygium caryophyllatum starts to flower in this season. And what I found, this tree likes a good sunny location. Now this particular place where I am shooting, it's a kind of a hilltop that's reserved for grazing. So it's a very sunny place, and in such locations it's not a big tree, so it will very nicely fit into city gardens and parks and all, even apartment gardens and all. I think it will do very well as a decorative tree. And it flowers profusely in the summer season. Those tiny little flowers come. I'll show you a few of the flowers. And flowers are supporting a lot of these birds. Bees and butterflies and all. That is the flowers. Flowers look just like jamun flowers, but more tiny. And the entire tree will flower. Thousands and thousands of flowers form in the season, and then in the fruiting season, those literally thousands of little berries are formed, and the berries are edible for humans also, and they kind of dry the mouth and all little bit, and it's good for this diabetes. And also this tree supports enormous number of local birds. So if you are a bird lover and you have some garden space, you want to have a good habitat for, you want to have a bird friendly tree, then you must have at least a couple of these caryophyllatum. And that small formation is very pretty, pleasing to the eye, and being a native species, it will support lot of biodiversity, rather than going and planting exotic trees which is not friendly to your neighborhood birds and animals and biodiversity. I suggest these pretty native species. They can easily, and then also it is very hardy. It doesn't need watering. You don't have to spray any pesticides to keep it healthy. So apart from innumerable benefits to the surrounding creatures, that is moths and butterflies and birds once you have a lot of birds, then they control insects in the surrounding farms and all. So it's very, very important that we support our own native plants and trees by planting them in the spaces what we are having access to. And often these birds and animals are under intense pressure to feed themselves, because so much of exotic trees and plants have come into the country that they don't get enough food to eat. And once they don't have enough food, naturally they will not reproduce in large enough numbers. So when you grow these native trees in your gardens and in your apartment buildings, in the roadsides, in your parks, when you grow these kind of native trees, you are doing enormous service to the world. Biodiversity is saved, your local creatures can all thrive, and your local environment will be healthy. So I recommend people to carefully study what all grows naturally in their region and try to incorporate those beautiful plants and trees into your gardens.